So a little over a year ago, we backed Cooler Master's MasterHub creator kit specifically because we edit a lot of videos, and this seemed like a really cool way to be able to get a little bit more from our computer use. We got the upgraded version that was the larger keyboard controller, and also came with the additional pubs, because this is the 3-knob MasterHub, and then this is the encoder IPS display with the radial dial, which is really cool. Of course, you get the key button selector, the 5 slider, and then the 2 dial on the normal kit. But let's open these up, we'll see what comes inside, and then we'll show you how it looks in use. Pretty straightforward there, and on these, it is the little tape on the top. But inside the Master Creator Kit box, okay, that's cool. So you got your little guide here, you got your 15 key, you got your fader, your 2 roller. This is a space saver box, I guess. And then we have what appears to be in here, the base for the unit. And then down here in the bottom, looks to be something additional. USB-C cable and some kind of item. Okay. So this is the board. As you can see here, there are multiple inputs onto it for you to connect to it. You have the edge here saying if you're using it for horizontal, this is the horizontal side. If you're using it for vertical, this is the vertical side. As for the specific piece here, it actually rests in the piece to give it a slight angle. I mean, I think something that was, I guess at least it magnetically kind of connects, but it's still got a little bit of bend to it. So it's at a slight angle, and then if you're doing it like this, again, slight angle. Pretty cool though. So as for boxes are really well devised. You've got a cover here for the keys. Then you have a cover here for the base. Some Cooler Master branding right there. You can see here it works with one connector. And so you can actually install that here. You could take it and you can install it here or there. All those spots would allow you, even if you wanted to put it like here to give the base bar, you really have a lot of options for where you want to install that one. Then of course you've got the roller connector right there. You can install that here, here, or then of course here. And they are holding fast with the magnetic, so you can actually kind of like lift that up a little bit. It's not going anywhere. Same thing with the 5-key fader. Connections right there. And you'll be able to adjust those knobs up and down, control that. Now with regards to the other options, That is the IPS screen on the knob. It will adjust depending on what you're using it for. You got your connector right there. And then this is the 3 knob. So why would you want to go for the 3 knob specifically? Well, because you want to use up all this landscape pretty well. And so say for instance, I love the 5 knob, but I really want to have an adjustable dial. The adjustable dial is going to be really helpful for me. So I can install that there, and I've got this landscape right here that's not being used. I can then take this piece in, install it here, and now I'm able to actually get some of that knob usage in just 3 as opposed to 5 sliders. So that's a really nice option for me to have with regards. And again, this one here is a push, spin, spin, push, roller, and then you've got this multi-keyed setup with the 15 keys. And you can, just like with a lot of the other systems, you can install images to show up behind that as per your choice. Really just cool options on this. And just set that there and let it rest, which is really awesome. But yeah, this is the cord for connection. This is gonna give it its power. You're gonna take this, and you can just take this to the bottom here, and you can attach it right here. Then that cord will then run, say for instance, to the computer. Or if you're running it in this layout, they have an additional connector that's right there. So that way the cord is not being jarring or blocking the ability to use the device, which is really nice. They gave those 2 different options. There is no way right now to specifically add on additional pieces to this. It is just what it is. You want to swap out this one for those or swap it back out. The choice is yours. Keep this in a desk. You'll be able to add it in later depending on what your needs are. But let's go take this and set this up, and we'll show you how this works, and we'll be right back. Well, hopefully you guys found that interesting. Hopefully you guys picked it up too. It's really nice to have that additional options when you're using your computer, and having it all at your fingertips is a nice touch. Well, again, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.